I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold.
8-piece, two-tone diamond dust with the white gold French tips. Are you kidding me? Things is hitting, man. So I found my new lighting in the shop. I told you guys my new lighting, so you guys can actually, I want you guys to see what it's gonna look like when you're out in the sunshine and you're rocking these things, man. You kidding me? That thing is outstanding, man. He got his gum lines. He has very nice teeth on the bottom, so it really accents his teeth to make it stand out that much more. He will be picking these up later. I just wanted him to be able to get a chance to see what these things look like, because he has been waiting. Not by fault of his either. But thank you, my dude, for supporting the channel as usual. And once again, I hope you have a blessed week, bro. I know this will be plenty more we're gonna be doing, and like we getting back to the public, man. We getting this thing back turned around, man. Supreme service, customer retention. We are working on it, y'all. Any company, as all companies, have issues, and we have had ours. So we're going to keep working and being positive and working harder to pump these things out quicker and quicker for you guys, while not sacrificing quality. But thank you guys, man, for supporting Seattle Gold Grills throughout the years. Like I said, bumps and bruises, but we are almost fully healed. Y'all be easy, man. Stay safe. Appreciate you guys for tapping into the channel. One love.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grills tighter than roach clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole